Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about ChatGPT, like how we can use ChatGPT for analyzing the different trends of the different cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, altcoin, Ethereum coin. There are lots of coins, as you know. We can analyze the trends of these coins with the help of this ChatGPT tool, which will help us to plan our strategies regarding these coins, or you can say cryptocurrencies nowadays with the in the trading platform. So right now we are at the website of the ChatGPT. You can also analyze these trends with the help of your mobile application with the name of ChatGPT, because they also have a application. So right now on the prompt section we will write, give me detailed analysis of Bitcoin in 2025 current year, and provide all the important trend data. Okay, and it will now I have just paste our command here. You if the more your command is detailed, it will provide you the more better results. Okay, so I have just given it a short prompt here, and as you can see that it has provided as the details here. As you can, it has also provided as the graphs. You can also search for like 1 day, 5 day, or you can check for the 5 years, and if you want to go to the max, you just click the max and it will show you all the graph. As you can see, it has given the graph of 2016, 19, 2022 and 2025, as you can see here. Okay, and it has also provided all the detail in the text form. If you want this all of this data in the PDF form, it will provide you all the details in PDF form. But if you want more tips and tricks for your trading purposes, you can ask the ChatGPT to provide you tips and tricks, and then you can apply those tips and tricks to the your trading, and you will definitely get a good profit. So that's all about how you can use ChatGPT to get analysis of the trends of different cryptocurrency, crypto coins, and it will provide you most accurate data, and then you can utilize this data. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.